What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rock from Flip the Thrift. We have our morning coffee, and today is Juneteenth Day. Today is a very important part of our history, so with that being said, we're going to thrift today. We're not going to necessarily thrift, but there is a box sale, and we're going to go. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Smash the thumbs up button. My thumb's a little preoccupied right now, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. So anyway, I got a message from Jim, the guy that does the box sales, and he's going to have a box sale today, and it starts at 7, and we better get going because we have to pull cash. All right, we're here, guys. Let's see what we can find. Good morning. Hello. Down here. That's cool. What is that? That's pretty neat. These are neat. All this Elvis, Michael Jackson. Diane. I'll pass on that stuff. Take this. Atari. This is cool. Worn out. Not good. That's cool. Daddy's in bad shape. Best one in all of them. Hey, what's going on, Jim? How you been?
All right, how you been?
I'm all right. Moving some stuff,
Right.
pushing it out the door.
Right.
Yeah, it's not like I need anything, right? What's that? Christmas. Oh, this is cool. A little wind up. Christmas. These are cool too, actually. Craftware. This one's. This one's in bad shape, but. I can't even get the lid out. Hello. I think I've been cleaning that out. I can get that out of there, but I can't get the lid off of that. Guess we'll try later. There's a Sony radio. Who is that? Ruth cable tray. This is cool. It's working. Excuse me. What pot is that? Interesting. That's cool. Sweet doll. Excuse me. Oh. That's Harrisburg. Or Houston, one of the two. That's Houston. Some more gloves. This one's cool. It's very interesting. This one's cool. It's definitely vintage. Maybe. That's a maybe. That's cool. It's interesting. Vodka. That's cool. These are interesting too, but they're not worth anything. It's brand new. 5 Nights at Freddy's mask. Yeah.
You both got too much.
Yeah, I got a lot of crap. Yeah. Said there's more on the other side.
Well, Rhonda put stuff out over there.
At their price.
Oh yeah, that's what
Yeah.
somebody else said to me, he goes, well, if I walk around there, she better give me Jim's prices. Nobody beats my prices.
Yeah.
That's why I don't understand why nobody comes in. Look at this. It's 8 o'clock and this place will be packed. Like ever since COVID hit, nobody wants to come here no more.
I think a lot of people are really struggling right now with money too.
You can come down here. There's more stuff down here. Yeah, she didn't hear me.
No, she heard.
That's a punch.
I think she saw me.
Oh, you? Run away?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, let me go over there real quick and take a look at it. It's over around this way.
Yeah, you walk.
I'll take a look at it.
I work every price as much as you go inside.
Anything new?
Oh, yeah, that's something.
A little bit.
Put a lot of balls in there.
Okay. There's a lot of free stuff, I see that. That is cool. That's really cool. That's pretty cool. So I can find it. That's a cool lamp. Ugly fabric lampshade. Vintage fabric teddy bear lampshade. You'll probably get like 50 bucks for it. That's cool. Maybe 25 or 30. What are you asking for the lampshade?
Fair one?
Yeah,
Probably could take 10 bucks for it.
10? I think it's cool.
It's in nice condition.
I think it's really cool. I just don't know if...
You know, I had that stuff inside it so nobody would mess it up. You know what I mean? And all the fringes there, everything. Yeah, I just had it stuffed inside.
You can keep that. You can hold on to that.
I just didn't
I'll
want
take
nobody
it.
to, you know,
I'll take
so
it
that
for
way it had a
10.
little push on the
I
side.
think it's cool. It's in really good shape. definitely old. Glass and CDs,
This
man.
is all her stuff from
Is it?
all Rhonda's, yeah.
Okay. This is all her shit, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Jim.
Thank you, sir. I
Take it
appreciate
easy, bud. Absolutely. Anytime. Thank you.
I'll let you know.
All right. Take it easy. Enjoy the day. Stay cool
Try.
and hydrated.
I got plenty of water.
All right. Take it easy. All right, guys, it's hot as shit. I got the Star Wars battleship. I went over to the other side. I'm hoping that they'll call me. They got a ton of stuff. There's a big, if you guys could see that. Okay, let's try that again. There's a big barn right there, and it's filled with shit. And he's got hats and shoes and jerseys and all kinds of good stuff. But you know, I don't know. He's one of them guys. He's a reseller too, so. I paid $10 for the Star Wars battleship. I see people listing it for like $50. I think it's with the box. That doesn't have the box. I'm hoping that it's complete and that it works. Because I have $10 invested in it. I'm hoping that it sells for at least $40. All right, guys, so that's it. We're in the car. We filled the trunk, and then there's a box back there. It was $50 for everything. I spent a little under 20 over there, so I spent $70 today, which was expected. I'm gonna stay away from the thrift stores. We're gonna go through this stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the best items that I did pick up. We'll do a little bit more research. I grabbed both of the ice coolers because one has a has an ice tongue or whatever that I want to take out of that one and put it in the other one. When I went to pull the lid, it cracked, so I'm probably gonna have to break it out, and I'm just gonna throw that ice bucket away. That way I have the tongue for this one. I'm gonna include it with that one. That one's nicer. It has a marble print on it, and I think it has a brand on the bottom. I'm not sure, but ice buckets do pretty good. Right now is a great time for them. I think they do okay. I haven't really researched them. I just seen people selling them and picking them up, so maybe it was a bad pickup. I don't know. We'll see. I have a vintage ice container, brand new in the box. It's been sitting forever. I probably have it listed super high, so I might want to drop it down. That's one thing you have to do with your items. You have to go in and you have to edit them. You have to adjust, you know, you have to adjust your items to the market, to the, you know, because everything just kind of fluctuates. That's it. This is a good box. That's a good box you got there, buddy. All right, guys, that's it. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell. I'm out. Peace.